Hi everyone, welcome back to Unlisted Zone. In this video, we will guide you on how to add bonus shares in your Unlisted Zone portfolio. Let's say you initially bought 100 shares at Rs 200 per share. And now the company has issued a 1:1 bonus. Here is how you can incorporate that into your portfolio. So step 1, sign into Unlisted Zone. Go to www.unlistedzone.com. Click on the sign in button, enter your email ID or mobile number and click next. Enter the OTP received on your registered number to log in. Now step 2, navigate to portfolio. Once you logged in, click on Profile. Under Profile, go to Portfolio. Next, step 3. Add bonus shares. Click on External shares. Enter the following details: share name, quantity, price, and date of purchase. Now, the important thing is only enter the additional shares received due to bonus. The price should be set as ₹0 for bonus shares. Now, the final step, save and review. Once you have filled in the details, click on Save. Your portfolio will now reflect the updated number of shares. And now that's it. You have successfully updated your portfolio with bonus shares. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more updates on managing your unlisted investments.